And once we've put in our pricing for the book, then we know we are good to go. We simply make sure that we have done research and don't be putting something out that's way too expensive simply because you want to make royalties or you want a higher margin of sale. Remember, you have to go with the research that was in the niche that you chose. So if books are going for $10.99, you're going to be averaging your book on that same barrier so that you're not breaking into this in the industry and people can clearly see that this is somebody who does not know the industry or who has not done research on the industry. So once you've completed that, you are going to wait. It can take up to 3 days before Amazon gets back to you and they will email you to let you know that your book is live and you are done with your book. That is where the work actually begins, and how you're going to market your book comes down to you. You can choose to buy an author copy and you can promote it for yourself. You can choose to also print it at a local printing store. Please do make sure that they do actually print books and it's not just like a normal printer where they print papers only. And they will advise you the best way to print your book and they'll tell you what page sizes to use. They'll tell you what type of paper to use, as well as with the book cover. And then you can promote it for yourself on social media or whichever method that you choose to do so. And then you can also use paid ads for it. So if you have any more questions about this, please leave them in this video and I will try my best to get help back to every single one of you. And that is exactly how you publish a book. It's not too difficult, but it does take time. And when you know what you want, it is faster. As you guys saw that I put everything together in planning form and it was easier for me to then just put it together as a book. And AI has definitely advanced. So remember, this was an older version of what the book was. So if we had to use AI now, it would actually make so many different improvements to what we already have. And that's exactly how we publish. And please leave any questions, leave any comments. I'd love to hear from you. I have since been publishing more books and I can't wait to share the journey with you guys. Thank you so much. And don't say I didn't plug you.